You can now talk to any API with curl, but real apps don't run curl commands. They run code. So here's the good news. Every curl you've learned maps straight into code. Think of a recipe. You perfected at home, now you cook it in a bigger kitchen. Same steps, same result, just a larger stove. Curl is your test kitchen. The code is the real app. The request doesn't change. Watch how it lines up. A curl to an address becomes a fetch call to that same address. Let's break it apart. The URL stays the same. The method get or post stays the same. And the headers carry straight over. So curlapi.com becomes fetch. Quote API.com. The piece you tested is now inside the app. Why does this matter? Because you already know how apps talk to the web. Test it with curl, then write it in code. You finish this level. So that is curl to code. Next up, installing node.js.